underpinning is the birds. Meanwhile, you hear the wind and the rumbling and stuff. That's the focus. I don't know if that was supposed to be a motorcycle or a truck. Sometimes they'll switch them into airplane mode all of a sudden. Or from an airplane, you're thinking, oh, an airplane's coming. All of a sudden it's that. But if you really listen to that, that is guttural. And this breed, a species of bird, whatever it may be, you might know, really does do that. Really will get into it with you. There's also a flick, like it was supposed to be a truck's rumble or something, exhaust. I'm sure you hear stuff. Check out your left and right hearing too. Like use ear plugs, whatever, and hear the left to right on many of my videos. Turn them up loud except when I'm yakking. Kids playing foolish here or just having fun? That star, I don't know.